New iPhone, new screen protector. Let's check it out. Dave Taylor here, and this is the new iPhone 14 Pro. It is a beautiful piece of hardware, and the screen features something called ceramic shield glass. It's the next generation after all the Gorilla Glass systems from Corning. So Apple's done a nice job. They picked something really aggressive, but I always like to put a screen protector on anyway. However hard this is, it's still exposed to keys in my pocket, to falling, to all sorts of things that can damage it. So a screen protector works really well because the screen protector then takes the damage. Enter TechMatte. This is the AmFilm or AmFilm one-touch glass screen protector for the iPhone 14 Pro. Yes, they rushed this out. I got this before I got my phone. So you know these companies have months to get the measurements and all the dimensions exactly from Apple. So I am expecting this to be a perfect fit. We're going to test it. But let me tell you, while I open up the box, because it's still shrink wrapped, I will carefully open that box with my unboxing tool. So it has a 9H hardness, and it's tempered glass, and it's a 99.9% clarity, and it is a remarkable 0.33 millimeters thick. So it is super duper duper thin, because I don't really want to even know that it's on my phone. It's basically something that I'm going to put on and then hopefully we'll be able to forget, right? That's what you want. Now, it also features an oleophobic coating, and that's a fancy name for something that minimizes fingerprints, and that is exactly what we want. So let's see what else is in this box. Looks like there are two of everything. It's really interesting that there's actually a separate cover for the camera lenses on the back. That by itself might be the most valuable thing. Then let's see, there is this, I see. So there's a whole two of them in each box. So I'm going to go ahead and put one set back. And so what we have, and you're thinking, why would you need two if it works really well? The answer is because it's going to pick up scratches and it's going to get damage. And then as soon as you get to the point where it's like, I can't handle it, you just take it off and put the next one on. So super great. Now, let's see, it comes with the installation accessories, dust removal. It has, like I said, a separate cover for the cameras and instructions. It's super easy to install. And, I guess that one probably should go in the box. It's a duplicate. So I'll put that in there. And then the most interesting piece of this is that the way they do this is that you actually have it all pre-installed into a case. So then I'm going to put the phone on this. Actually, I'm going to put this on top of the phone when we're ready, and then it's going to automatically be perfectly positioned. And you really need to get it perfectly positioned because you want to make sure that the, ready for this, dynamic island is compatible. So I can't just say dynamic island. We need to have that big echo, right? So this is what they call their install frame, and it's really pretty slick. Now, I'm going to have to open this up because we're going to need all these pieces. So let's see what's what. And they have really nice directions. Again, it's pretty darn easy. All these different pieces. But I will tell you that what they all forget, all these companies forget, is that the first step is to go wash your hands. Make sure your hands are as clean as possible because that's all very important because you want to make sure you have no dust or dirt or oils or anything. You just want a pristine little world. So our first step is the wet wipe. So I'm going to open that up. And now we get to go through the adventure of cleaning the phone screen as best possible. You want to get hair and dust and dirt and streaks and anything that might be on that screen. You want to get rid of it. So I'm going to do this with my wet wipe. And of course, my phone is literally 3 days old. So it's in pretty amazing shape. So that wet wipe looks like that covered that task. And then step number 2 is that we're going to use the dry wipe, which is this, which is basically a little microfiber cloth. And I'm going to use this to just make sure everything is clean as possible. And then we're going to do one more step, which is this big dust sticker. And a lot of companies send really small stickers, so I really appreciate that this is literally the size of the phone screen, which just makes it so much easier to work with. In fact, it's bigger than the phone screen. So I'm going to do this, and I'm going to just make sure that it is as pristine as possible. Now we're ready to use the install frame. And remember, I'm going to put it like this, but before I do that, I have to pull the inner skin off. And to do that, I'm going to pull it straight down on that nice curve. So there's that. And now it says top, and there's the top of my phone. So I'm going to just go ahead and drop it on there. And the corners, make sure you get it in exactly the right place. And basically, I've done all the work at this point. So what I'm going to do is, let's get this back on, and I'm going to push and hold on the top for a couple of seconds, and then just slowly run my finger down to make sure we get it all the way covered. And I can already see that it's actually affixed. And now as I pull it off, that blue film stays on, and I have a perfectly installed screen, just about. There's a little corner there on that edge. Otherwise, that looks absolutely perfect. And will it still work with the Face ID? And it's already unlocked, so the answer is yes, it does, which is great. So that's 99% of the work. It's basically all installed, but let's go ahead and install that other cover on the actual camera. And that's going to be a similar sort of process. We're going to go back to some of these previous pieces, especially the wet wipe, and I'm going to just clean those camera lenses because I want no adverse impact on any pictures I'm going to take, obviously. So that all looks good. Then I'm going to use the dust removal cover again. And between those two, I think that these camera lenses are in good shape. And I got to say, the 14 Pro, the camera lens really sticks out. It's kind of huge. Now, they say to bend this. Okay, and now it should be ready to install. See that? Pretty cool. And it actually fits over the lenses, so it's actually, again, impossible to put it on incorrectly. And there it is, fully installed, and I'll give you a close-up too so you can see how it fits. Now, to be entirely candid, this is something I'm going to forget. This we'll have to see. I'll give it some time. I might pop that off, I'm not sure, but in any case, it makes it even just a slight bit more of a protuberance. But the upside is this is a $1,000 smartphone, so having some sort of protection, and I'll also drop this back into a case, that's just smart. And that's everything. That's the full install with all the steps specified. You saw that if you weren't, if I wasn't on camera and I was just doing this, I could do the whole thing super fast. You can really do an install in probably 30 to 60 seconds if you're really confident about what you're doing. You don't have to rush through it though, but certainly it's really darn easy. So that's all I got. I should talk about the price. You're gonna love the price. But before I get there, I'm going to ask if you could subscribe to my channel. Click or tap on that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on notifications. We're connected. Awesome. This is, let me maybe show my phone too. This is the TechMatte AmFilm one-touch glass screen protector for the iPhone 14 Pro. You get 2 of them in the box. And that is $14.99, actually, minus $2. So it's $12.99 at Amazon.com for 2 screen protectors, 9.8, 99.9% clarity, tempered glass. And if it breaks or scratches or chips or cracks, hey, it's all good. That's its job. So you just take it off and put the next one on. Super cool, super easy install. I'm totally psyched, and I'm ready to get back to my iPhone 14 Pro and especially testing out that camera. That's all I got. Hope to catch you in my next video.